This video is about E3DSAutomation Tools plugin, and this is going to be a demonstration of how to package your project and upload it to the Eagle 3D streaming platform with just a single click. Now go ahead and install this plugin to your engine that you're using your project for. I have already installed it for Unreal Engine 5.2. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a simple project. So I have opened up a empty top-down project just for the demonstration of this plugin. So just go ahead and make sure to enable two plugins. One is the pixel streaming plugin and the other one is the E3DSAutomation Tools plugin. Go ahead and restart your engine. Once you restart your project, you will see these two new icons appear right here. This one is going to be for the pixel streaming and this is the E3DSAutomation Tools. Now there's just one more thing left to do, is that you need to go to your project settings and right here in the plugins, right here you have to configure some of these settings. For the path to E3DS executable file, you need to download it manually from the website. You can find that download link in the description. If you go to this documentation link and if you just browse around this step, this is by the way, this document has all the information that is in this video, and this video is based upon this documentation. So if you just go ahead, click on this and download the file, it's going to start the download and then you can use that file right here. So just browse to the path of that file wherever that is. So I have downloaded it in here in my locals download path C drive. And for the next two, one engine folder path and engine exe path and the EU project path, they are automatically taken. And path, you have to provide the path to the 7-zip exe that is generally located in the program files. And there's one more thing for the API key. You have to get the API key. Also, if you just go to the documentations and if you click on this link, so it's going to take you to your API key management account. You will find your email and your username here. If you don't have an account, you can just click on this link and it will take you to the sign up where you can make your own account and you will have your own API key. So moving forward, after the API key, you have to choose a streaming app name by which your application is going to be shown in the control panel. And the next step is going to be selecting whether you want a development or a shipping build. Just for this demonstration, I'm going to go with the development build. And the packaging folder, you can just click and choose anything. It does not matter, just you can select any folder possible. And the do dedicated server build is a feature that if you're using the source version of the Unreal Engine, which you have downloaded from the GitHub by their own official page from Epic Games, you can click on this one and it will package the dedicated server build for you and also upload the dedicated server to in the control panel where it should be uploaded automatically without doing any other steps. And the test URL is a URL that will open when the whole packaging is complete. So for example, if I just type www.google.com, it can be anything, it will open that URL. So these are all the settings that we need for now. I'm just going to close this and you can just click on this button, or you can click on right here. It does not matter. It will start the packaging and uploading to the Eagle 3D Streaming's cloud, where it will be shown in the control panel. So this is the process that happens. This is going to be displaying all the status of the uploading process and the packaging. Right now it's packaging, so on it's going to upload, and when everything's complete, it's going to display a text saying upload successful, and automatically open the link that you provided in the test URL. So I'm just going to pause the video here and wait for it to get completed. Now, as you can see, the packaging is complete. Now it has started the upload, and let's just wait for that as well. Now the upload has been completed, and it has opened up a Google page for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and go directly to my control panel, Eagle 3D Streaming's control panel, where I have logged in my account, and it should be the same account which you have provided your API key for, because your application is going to be uploaded here. Well, we uploaded the application by E3DS Marketplace _80. Now for the config, you can just select any of your config. If you are completely new to this, I advise you to go ahead and check out these content to get familiar with what is a config and how basic streaming works in Eagle 3D Streaming. And now click here and play the application. By the way, you can close this one when it is completed. And if you're streaming for the first time, your application is going to take like a few extra seconds to just make everything ready. And now that my application is complete, if I click here, you can see your application is pixel streaming without any issues. It's working exactly as it was playing in the editor. So here's a method how you can just do all the whole uploading with just a single click of this button.
To create an account, go to account.eagle3dstreaming.com/sign up and get a free 7 days trial. Upload your first Unreal Engine project on our Pixel streaming platform for free. Eagle 3D Streaming, it's just easier.